Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. I'm Jordan, taking on a short 360 degree video of this showroom car, which is our Audi A1 Sportback. This is the contrast edition. It is the Python yellow with the Mythos black trim. We've got a stunning 7-spoke design alloyed wheel, contrast of the silver and the black. The Audi Sport rims. It's got the S-Line badge situation on both wings of the vehicle. Also has the contrast of the Mythos black, as it is the contrast edition. You've got the rear privacy glass. As we get to the rear, you've got the sleek back end look, as the plastic casing does cover the exhaust. You've got the blacked out model logos and the 4 rings. Quick look inside the vehicle, you've got a generous boot space. And as we come down the driver's side, we'll take a look inside the vehicle. The interior is finished in the leather and Alcantara cloth with the contrast of grey. It's got the S-Line embossed logo into the 2 front sport seats. You've got the S-Line 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. You've got the contrast gloss black and the silver Python effect going across the front dash. You've got your Mmi Touchscreen System now, which, as you can see, is touchscreen and now going to show, once you click the home button, comes up with all Mmi services. You've got automatic headlight adjustments, light and rain sensors, automatic transmission with your drive select, USB inputs and your 12 volts input. For more information or any enquiries on this vehicle, give us a call on 01254 668 777. Thank you for watching.